You can literally hack your own body out of hiccups by drinking water upside down. Forget holding your breath or getting startled, science says flipping your sip resets your diaphragm's rhythm almost instantly. Here's why it works. When you drink water upside down, you're forcing your body to coordinate swallowing and breathing in a way it never usually does. This weird motion actually interrupts the spasm that causes hiccups and gives your diaphragm a new beat to follow. Doctors have found that this method is more effective than nearly any other home remedy, because it's not just a distraction, it's a physical reset for your breathing muscle. No fancy tools, no awkward tricks, just a glass of water and a little gravity. Next time hiccups hit, ditch the old wives' tales and go straight for the upside down water trick. Your diaphragm will thank you for the reset, and you'll look like a life hack genius.